Starting a successful blog in 2023 requires finding a niche that aligns with your interests, expertise, and audience demand. Conduct thorough research to identify potential customers and competitors within your chosen niche. Focus on creating well-researched, useful, and shareable content to meet the increasing demand for quality material in 2023. Regularly post content that is optimized for search engines to increase visibility and attract more traffic. Build a professional and user-friendly website that is compatible with mobile devices. Choose a reliable web hosting service and a content management system like WordPress. Utilize social media, email marketing, and SEO strategies to expand your audience and keep readers engaged. Collect email addresses from the start and offer incentives like free ebooks or exclusive content to encourage sign-ups. Explore various monetization strategies such as affiliate marketing, display advertising, sponsored content, selling digital goods, or implementing a membership subscription model. Engage with your community by responding to comments, holding webinars or live streams, and using discussions and polls to involve your audience. Track key performance metrics like website traffic, user interaction, conversion rates, and revenue from different monetization methods. Utilize tools like Google Analytics to gain insights about your audience and make data-driven decisions to improve your content and profitability. Starting a profitable blog requires commitment, patience, and adaptability to the changing digital landscape. By following these steps and staying persistent, your blog can become a successful and profitable business in 2023 and beyond. If you want to learn more, go to hobbysticks.com.